2014 Skoda Roomster SE. It's a 1.2 TSI and it's got the DSG gearbox. This one's a two-owner from new. Firstly, a mobility car, and also there's a crane in the back for putting a wheelchair in as well, which is quite useful. This one's got 9,000 miles on it, and it's got full Skoda history, and it's just been serviced this year as well. Now this one's a category N from the insurance company, which is non-structural. It's bumped this corner here, so it's made a little bit messy, but it'll get a new bonnet because of that bit there. The rest of it's actually okay, but you can't really fix that. It's cracked the light, and it's bent the corner of the wing over, which is quite an easy repair. But it's kind of squashed the bumper, which is probably repairable, but it'll probably need to be replaced because it'll just be slightly misshapen. Luckily I've got one in the same colour, it will bolt on, and it's kind of squashed it around the other side, so it's been bumped there, so it's all jumped off its bumper mounts, so it looks a little bit odd, but because it's a category N that is a non-structural, there's nothing nasty damaged underneath it, which is good. It's nice and straight down that side, and it's got the old glass panoramic roof, which is lovely. Sorry, not roof. And round the back is all decent as well, and it's got factory fitted parking sensors, which is good. And the boot, it's a private plate, so it's got its original number plates, and it's got the grille and a new headlight, or a second hand one but a genuine one. And it's got this crane here. I can go back a bit so you can see it. So if you've got a one of those electric wheelchairs which you can't physically lift in, you kind of let's turn it on first, swing the crane out, and then you lower it down, pick it up, pull it back, and stick it back in again. Like that, it'll automatically stop. So that's going to be left in. It's probably a really expensive extra, but I'll leave it in. If someone wants to take it out, it's only a couple of bolts, a bolt there, 3 at the bottom, 1 at the side, and it can be stuck on eBay and sold if you want, but it's in there. So no damage around the back, a couple of slight marks there which will probably polish out, and nice and clean down that side. And in the back, well, it's definitely got a lot of room. It's definitely a Roomster. These seats fold up and fold in, which is quite useful. And in the front, looks like it's been looked after. Dirty mark there, probably need to be washed. And that's about it. And there's the nice panoramic roof. It's got a cover that slides backwards and forwards. And it's got 9,000 miles, 9,565, which is good. These typically retail for up to 9,000, in fact slightly over that with this mileage. And this is going to be repaired. It's got a new bumper, a grille, a headlight, a bonnet, and a wing corner to be fixed. They'll be back on the road pretty much exactly the same, and it will probably be around the 6,500 to 7,000 mark, so it's a couple of £1,000 saving.